Hello everyone, this is ThePandaPhotographer and welcome to another unboxing on this channel, and thank you for subscribing and tuning in and sharing the content and hitting that like button, and that thumbs button up. It really helps me grow, guys. And the reason why I'm making a video of these items is because I'm upgrading my ball head to a more flexible ball head for portraits and landscapes. I'm also upgrading my light source from my newer CN160 to a Aputure AL-198C that has a CRI of 95 and a SmallRig Articulated 7-inch arm for my monitor so I can be more flexible with it. But with that said, please subscribe to the channel, please hit the like button and the thumbs button. But let's unbox some of these really quickly here for you guys. So this is a beauty, man. This is going to help with the videography work and the colors as well. So like I said, this does have a CRI of 95 plus. Now the lumens is supposed to be about 3450 lumens. So it's bright, but it's not as bright as some of the other models that Aputure do make. But I'm really excited to have an Aputure product because I always wanted one of these. It's been a long time and I always look forward to having their products because I heard so many good things about their products. But anyway, let me just put this over here really quickly. There we go. All right, so oops, sorry, my microphone wire is in the way, but I wanted to actually unbox this really quickly. So it comes in this nice little padded bag. It's really nice and padded too. All this for $52. That is amazing. Okay, so you get the light, the H198C. It does show you guys. Come on, focus. Focus. It's not focusing. There we are. Okay, so in the back, you can see that it does have a color temperature because this is bi-color. So from 5500K to 3200K, has a battery indicator light, has a power and on switch and a sensitivity switch. It takes Sony NPF 550 batteries and 570 batteries, and it takes AAA batteries as well. So it does have a shield to cover the LEDs, which is nice, something that the newer doesn't come with. But this is supposed to be very accurate in colors. It does come with a soft panel as well, and it comes with a nice little, come on, focus, comes with a nice little ball head and a mounting piece, because on the panel you can mount other accessories or you can mount a number of these on together so you can create a large light source, which is pretty cool. But other than that, yep, you get a bunch of paperwork inside the box and the warranty and guide cards and everything, so that's pretty cool. Move that to the side. And next one we're gonna do is unbox this. This is the new ball head that I've been waiting for. It's gonna be much more flexible when doing some portraits and video. So this is the Andoer, focus. This is the Andoer Q-08 Pro ball head. Now I'm going to use this for video and on my slider, and I'm also going to use this for portraits. As you can see, you can do flex. See, my current ball head can't do this, so I'm very happy to have a new flexible ball head with a arm that I can use for video. So I can do pan shots, and I do it on my current ball head all the time. So the build quality is 100% aluminum alloy, which is nice. Now it doesn't say the weight max, but I'm pretty sure you can fit up to like 13-14 pounds on this one. This one is 1.3 pounds. It's pretty easy and a really quick quick release system here. So it's pretty nice. Got a nice little heft to it. So, but other than that, yep. And last and finally, the SmallRig's articulated arm that I'm going to be using for the monitor, so I can be more flexible with it and maneuver the monitor around like it's a tilty screen like on the back of my camera. But the build quality on these things are amazing, so definitely a big bonus. SmallRig's stuff is really good. And the Aputure light, I've been dying to try this light out, so in Aputure products, because just a couple of days ago I tried the 120D for the first time in a video situation, and it was amazing. You got to check that video out as well. But other than that, guys, this has been an unboxing of the upgrade stuff that I'm going to be using for my videography and my photography stuff. So yeah, I finally got some money coming through, and yeah, things were looking up in New York a little bit, so I was able to, you know, get the things I need. But other than that, guys, this has been a great unboxing, and I do appreciate your time and effort. But like I said, subscribe, share, hit the thumbs button, and leave your comments down below. If I miss anything, I will make a full review on all these little products in the future. But other than that, you guys take care. Happy shooting.